Guys, today I'm making beef flavored noodles. As you can see, Indomie. And these are my ingredients. I have pepper, sweet peppers, I have tomato, dhania, onion, and I have carrots. Then these are my spices: turmeric, dark soy sauce, paprika, cinnamon, and garam masala. Let's start cooking. And then I have sausages. So let's start cooking. So guys, first I'm gonna be boiling this instant noodles. I was to say noodles. And then I'll add the boo sauce. Then I'll cover it and leave to cook. And then on this other hand, I'll be cooking my sausages. So I'm gonna be checking on these noodles just to stir and make sure they're getting cooked. And my sausages are getting cooked here. I normally cook with a low heat. They're almost. So let me get the other ingredients ready. Now guys, we put frying mode. I'm frying the onions. I've added salt just to get the onions cooked fast. So we leave them cook before we add the next ingredient. Then we're going to add carrots. Cook them a bit. Stir like 3 minutes, and then I'm gonna add tomatoes. So after that, we're gonna cover and leave them to cook. So guys, let's check how are we doing here. So we're going to add the spices. These are the spices. You can add the spices that you have, but I'm gonna be listing what I've used on this. It's done, and then I'll add dark sauce, and then we'll stir, and then I'll cover so that we can leave everything cook. Let them cook a bit before we add some water, because we need these spices well cooked. Let's let them cook. So at this point I'll add just little water, not a lot. Leave them cook for 3 minutes. Then I'll come back with the next ingredient. So I'm adding the peppers. I'm adding the noodles, guys. Already they look yummy. And then we'll add dhanias. I'm gonna get this first for the noodles to get the heat. Yeah, here we go, guys. And then add the sausages. And then they are ready to serve. Let's serve, let's serve. So guys, here is the food. And here you go guys, they look really yummy. So guys, go try this recipe. Let me know what you think about it on the comment section. And in case you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe for more cooking video. Thank you for watching. Let me see you in another video, and make sure you put your notification bells on. Bye bye guys.